I know everybody I go like we, still we irie. Cause me no love likes, in a dancehall style. I know everybody I go like, still me irie. Cause we no love likes, no. So every time I rise, we do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know a substance.
Port Antonio is on a different type of heat right now. Like, it is dumb hot. I have no fan in my room because niggas broke my fan. And now I feel like I'm about to go buy one because I'm dying. I'm legitimately dying. Someone help. I'm bored if you guys don't see me talking. I think I won't leave my house after 5 o'clock. I'm about to clean my room. I feel like I need to paint my walls because I don't know how to control these fucking kids. But yeah. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. I look dread as shit, but I'm highly pissed off. It's like, what time is it now? It's 6:53. I've been up since 11 this morning. I was supposed to go to the beach, end up going downtown with Jay and them to go to the beach. The rain started tearing. Then when the rain stopped, they ended up helping a friend because they having this whole party. Their little group translation having a beach party on Sunday. So they had me run around with them, helping them do stuff and shit. And it's like, I'm supposed to go to the beach, so I'm highly pissed. I'm about to go take another shower with some outfit. I'm just gonna wear it the hell again. It's really not an outfit, it's a bikini, but it's whatever. So I'm about to go take a shower and just chill and edit vlogs. So talk to y'all, and I'll talk to y'all. Look who's finally here. Niggas finally fought up here. Y'all see the times I be coming in from parties? I got this bonnet on my head looking mad ratchet, but I just came in from a party. Cold clean to a step, and my feet hurt because I wore my red bottom.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes.
Them shits hurt, okay? Them shits hurt. It's now 6:01. I'm tired. I'm about to go to sleep. Probably seen some snaps before this because I'm gonna insert my snaps in a lot of these videos because I don't be feeling like bringing a camera to the party. They be looking at me all type of weird, but it's whatever. So true word. I'm about to go to bed, so talk to y'all later. All the makeup is gone now, so I look as dread as ever. I'm about to run to Winifred Beach with my cousin. and friends because they're having a beach party on Sunday, so they're about to go set up. So I'll talk to you when I talk to y'all. Daddy!
Hi!
Hi! And calmly getting ready for this party. Why did you not think I'm strong? Tell me now. Ain't shit to do out here, but just chill. I don't know if I should show y'all the beach. I don't know if that's relevant. My phone died, so I'm type assed out. I'm tired of shit. I want to go downtown and run to the bank. I'm just chilling and shit. I look extra chill. What the people man still want me a joke? I'm joking, don't fucking listen to me. What is there to talk about? I don't think there's anything to talk about. I miss Kim. Kim is my road dog for life. Like, we always doing road away out here. Tavia always, something that was wrong with Tavia. Like, she's sick or something every time when niggas come to Jamaica. Mitchie. Just need to come to Jamaica ASAP with my child. Otherwise, I'm out here just watching them fix up the place for this big party. I'm gonna be totally transformed. There's a party tonight called Igloo. That's also a beach party, but it's not on this beach. It's on Shanshai Beach. For all of my Portlanders that's gonna watch this vlog when it's up, and for the people out of town and stuff like that. So it's a bright affair. So I got this red bikini and I didn't get a cover up for it, so my ass is definitely gonna be out. I think I'm gonna bring my camera. I really don't want to walk around with a camera, but I'm gonna have to bring it regardless because I didn't want to try to bring no bag. I'm like a little tomboy. I really don't bring bags like that unless I'm trying to be really cute. As you can see, I could walk around in a dread state and don't care. So yeah, I'm ready to go. I've been standing for too long according to my watch. But yeah, and on top of that, my fingernail is gone. Like, it was $70 for these nails. I don't know how the hell this shit is gone, but at least it made in Jamaica for a week. On the girl wise for June weekend, but it ain't making them. My nails never make it in Port Antonio. I don't know why, like, period. So yeah, tired. My cousin gave me a cranberry water. This is life. Even though you know I don't drink water, but I love cranberry, so it's a little substitute to it. But yeah, there's shit to do. I don't know if y'all want to see the beach. Let's see. I'm going to the beach. They got like a swing and stuff. It's a big ass beach. I don't know if I should walk over there and put my foot in there, but it's a nice beach.
Not after 9.
What am I saying? It's small. Not small. I have 16 by 12. The length is 16 on the side of my 12.
I want you to take off your shirt. So, about that. About me walking down there.
On the beach? Public beach when we're free for walking.
Yo, I hate you, son.
Let me get air. Let me get air. Yeah, I thought they eat.
Yeah, like, what's that? I love you. I love you then.
As a liquid, as a something that would I say. I mean, right here. Ching. Would I say something that never drive a 4x4 car. It's a never do it and one burger sitting.
A lot of time I hear Frank, I hear working.
I said never say it. Never say it.
Selling this nigga for $5.
Never say it.
What are you doing?
Felix there, no dog. Oh, I say no that. Replace them Monday.
Fucking Junior playing football. Jordan chicken chest. On Junior now.
Wiley, whoa!
The Best Family present Party Coolers Independence, August 5th, 2017 at Shanshot Beach in Fort Antonio. Admission 500 pre-sold and 1,000 at the gate. VIP tickets 2,000.
Turn right side.
Music by DJ Mac, DJ Claire, and
That was mad off guard, like.
Yo! You who's the shirt, Yeah, check it.
Niggas are stuck on the stage. So I know y'all might not be able to hear me. This is why I'm vlogging. Yesterday I was supposed to go to Igloo, which is like a beach party where you bring your own like cooler, aka the Igloo, and put liquor in, whatever. It's rained out. It's terrible outside. I'm like, okay, tomorrow is my cousin's party on the other beach. It's like what? 7:54 right now, and it's pouring. Like it is pouring. Like I'm so tight. Like let me show y'all. Like what the hell is this? Now, I don't know what to do. I fell asleep last night. Like, I went to lay down to see if the rain was going to stop, and I was knocked. I was KO'd. I didn't wake up till just now, and I would lay down at like 10 o'clock. I'm highly upset, but just whatever. My crib.
You want to take a picture of me and show your mother?
That Momo want to see you? Sit, daddy.
Yeah, look nice, man. Sony.
Sony's always nice. Here at my cousin's house, my other cousin, Keisha, the ones y'all was seeing in the vlogs, and I'm very upset about this rain. It's still raining, and I want to go to Roadblock. Son, sometimes I feel like I don't want to vlog because I've gained so much happy weight. Like, my relationship has gotten me real fat, to be honest. I done got double chin now. People who know me did not know I did not have this little stomach here. I look like I'm having a baby. So yeah, I'm just tired of this right now. Like, the shit is just getting whack. I need to go out tonight, but we'll see how that goes. Oh shit, I didn't even know this shit was zooming in. But I'm tired of that right now. I'm tired of all this rain. I want to go out. So let's see how the night persists. I don't know what's going on. Keisha! Vlogger them there. I'm vlogging. Look at Kitty, guys. Hey, Kitty. Say hi. I don't really like cats, bro. Kitty, look on the damn camera. Kitty, the people that want to talk to you. This is not animal abuse. I'm not choking her, okay? Kitty, talk now for your TV time, this. Kitty is grilling this shit. Kitty said, "Uno come out her nose hole." Kitty. No, look funny. That's how we grilling bitches. Like, bitch, who you talking to? Me, bitch? Not me. Keisha knows what she got up on her head.
Oh my.
Let me tell you how bitches gonna get beat up though. Oh my god, I'm so brawling on camera. This is, yo. Let's not even talk about it till it happens, son. Keisha trying to be my twin. Look. Adidas on the ass. First Naimi. Adidas on the ass. Twinning. I'm about to charge my phone and go home. My uncle's home from jail, so we have a cookout on Monday. Everything lit.
I'm trying to be here.
So you saying nobody come out? Ocean left a good girl? But Ocean never look like it's yo. It's a. Girl look like half naked like a rain out too. Well, my boy. Me don't want to go neon lights. Me don't want to silent headphone thing. I want to go skin out. Excuse me, people. You know what I sound like on camera, Shabada? I go skin out.
Every day when we watch Apicana.
Me love Apicana, girl.
Yeah, me say it's almost 9 dark. Every day when we watch Apicana.
The last time I watched Apicana when Chuba in the airport with my friend. That last one, that's been a while. That's when I first put on my vlog that I returned to YouTube.
Watch every single one of them.
Cause Bever dirty bongo.
I'm going to know all of them. One name, mudfish, can, Taiwan, you know what that, and the Chibana.
Wait, the man. The rain set all about 6 o'clock, and I just pray it just continue. I think 8 o'clock I'll lick showers, and then done for the night. I just want to go up, my igloo outfit, girl, you know, so I well want to wear that same suit. If I come back up on the beach with it.
White one?
The red one.
I never get to wear that. Oh, igloo, oh.
Yeah, and then tonight, this piss me off. I'm not going to do my makeup and rain wash off more than makeup on my face. I love me a hot girl still. Yeah, but people, as well Shabada style. People. The man mouth faith, nah. I'm out though. I'm about to, this camera's dying. I'm trying to edit the Dream Weekend vlogs. I still haven't done my Kendra boutique hair video, which she needs to do. But the way how my room is set up, I'm trying to put my backdrops, because I did bring my backdrops to Jamaica, my black one. I got 2 new backdrops, and I want to record a video. But Keisha ever come on me, because I'm going to hold up the backdrop then, because I need to make a video. Come here, yes, Keisha.
You hold up the backdrop?
No, hold up the backdrop. Fix the camera for me.
Oh.
We're gonna fix the backdrop on the wall.
When?
One in there. Me the one put upon the clothesline, but that's just ratchet. You don't see the clothesline.
The gold one?
Either the gold or the black. If I black, better one. Anyways, bye guys. On my way to my cousin's party. Yeah, like this look. Yeah, I'm eating. That's quick. That's how I feel.
Every night they'll say, they're singing for you, son. Ahora yo tengo para que uno me está guardando esta ronda para el beach, ¿verdad? Todo el chico. Pero bueno, vamos a hacer de verdad, sepan. the time stay calm. You don't know the thing, Sanchez, come aboard that mad boss. When you go cigar, you have about 9 more minutes simply.
Sorry,
you don't have grown, be honest. That's all the thing.
Yeah, buddy.
Pick up all the people that's watching them round up on the beach side, see
Yeah, buddy.
I don't know the ocean till about where the water is. But it's one of the covers so the people that want to check in, or don't know the big sound string up. You the current how you the sound and sound. That's how I track the sound is by the level, or all the vibes. Don't know the people. Pick up all the others that want to set that table. Pick up the girl down there, pick up our brother down there. You know, super sound for you, you know the hosts that they are. Artists are rolling up aboard too.
Finally reached home safe and sound. I'm tired as hell. It is now 3:35 in the morning and I'm about to just take a nap. Ocean 11 was lit. Can't wait again until next year if I go next year, but I think I might. So I enjoyed my day. So I'm ending the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I'm using my phone light, mad ratchet. Bye guys.